Welcome to another floor plan design. Here is ground floor and this is first floor. Number of 4 bedroom, 1, 2, 3, 4. First floor 4 bedroom. Ground floor 1 bedroom we can use for guest purpose. So we will see, this is our entrance, 290 by 450. This is our door and we are getting here, this is our door, this arch, this is our door, this bedroom 550 by 450. This is dress area, this bathroom 360 by 200 cm. This is arch, this big hall, Majlis hall, this hall, lobby 910 by 450. Here we are getting stair, this wonderful window design. So this hall 770 by 490. This big dining for 520 by 490. This side toilet. This is our washroom. This side we are getting kitchen like this 450 by 550. And this is our window, and this is toilet window, this dining window, this hall window, this glass come door, and this also window, this ventilation window. Okay, so number of 1 bedroom ground floor, this kitchen 450 by 550. This store we have given 300 by 230 centimeter. This plan 1550 centimeter, 1570 centimeter. So we will reach, we have given design column also. This is our stair design, step design. Okay, this is our stair 350 by 460. We will go first floor. So this number of 1 bedroom we are reaching here. This is our first bedroom 550 by 450. This 2 side window. This bathroom 360 by 200 centimeter. This dress area, and this is our very wide bathroom bedroom. You can see here, and this number of this number of 1 bedroom. This is our lobby, and this is our bedroom 450 by 550, and this 210 our bathroom, and this is our common pantry 300 by 170. This is our bedroom. You can see here, this is our entrance, and this dress area, this bathroom, this bedroom attached. So you can make wall for division, for child play, for child room you can make this, and for one bedroom you can make this with continue open. So this is our bathroom, 103 meter by 2 meter, and this 490 by 550. Wide bedroom 450 by 550. This is our window, this ventilation window, this front window, this design, window design, continuous glass, and this is our hall, big hall 1060 by 450, and this is stair for roof floor continue 570 by 350. This side window, this window for ventilation. So this plan like this, 4 bedroom ground floor, 1 bedroom guest room. So I hope you understand the concept. This outside we are given a small design for projection, for elevation design. You can see here small projection coming out, and furniture everything we have arranged. Stove, this sink, this wash basin, water closet, shower tray, everything we have arranged in this plan. So this is wonderful plan. Okay, first floor. Four bedroom. Ground floor. One bedroom. Total 1550 by 1570 centimeter size. So I hope you got this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.